Stop selling printables. Are you leaving money on the table? If you're a design entrepreneur, this might be the wake-up call you needed. Printables had their moment, but the market has shifted. Canva templates are a more lucrative path for modern creators. Today, I'll show you why templates win and how to pivot your product line without burning out. This isn't about more design tips, it's about building a business that supports your creativity. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. For years, Printables helped designers escape client work. But the world has changed. The market is a roaring, oversaturated ocean. Your beautifully designed habit tracker now competes with thousands of near twins. Prices plummet. Average order values hover around pocket change. It's hard to build a sustainable business on $3 purchases. To stay visible, you churn out new designs constantly, a content treadmill to nowhere. That novelty grind leads straight to burnout. With a static file, the transaction ends at download. Little customization, little upsell. Buyers got a file, not a solution, and they know it. Modern buyers want speed, flexibility, and a professional look without hiring a full-time designer. Now, let's turn to Canva templates, dynamic living documents. Think of them as design systems, packaged for the masses. You provide the framework, grid, typography, color harmony, they provide the content. This shift boosts perceived value. You're selling speed, convenience, and empowerment. Templates scale. Anyone with a browser can use them. That ease expands your market and justifies premium pricing. Create once, sell infinitely, breaking the time for money chain. Move from one-off printables to high-value bundles that solve real business problems. Your brand elevates too. Customers experience your spacing, hierarchy, and balance firsthand. When your tools drive results, buyers return for more. You become their go-to. If this is helping you think differently about your design business, hit the like button and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your insights help shape future videos for this community. A printable is a product, a template is a tool. Tools promise potential and save time. That's value people pay for. Drag in photos, swap colors, rewrite copy. Ownership makes the result feel personal. Good templates are systems. Cohesive suites communicate professionalism. Bundling signals higher value and guides buyers to the best fit solution. They're not buying a page, they're buying confidence and a head start, worth far more than a cheap printable. Start with social media packs. Every business, creator, and coach needs consistent content. A 50-piece set for a niche, like real estate or wellness, is an easy sell. Looking polished attracts clients, making your template a direct income investment. Next, media kits and speaker one-sheets for creators and influencers. Clear stats, audience breakdowns, and collaboration options turn pitches into deals. Also consider brand kits and logo suites, an affordable shortcut for new brands. Provide variations, a style guide, and coordinated assets to save weeks of time. Don't overlook pitch decks, webinar slides, and course workbooks. Professional slides can be the difference between closing and losing a deal. How do you find profitable niches and create quality fast? Use a simple, repeatable process. Go where your customers hang out. Study their repeated questions and hired help posts. When you spot a frequent request, that's your signal, a template opportunity. Build 5 to 10 master layouts, then expand into a versatile bundle. Social packs need modular post types that mix and match beautifully. Decks need a tight, polished core system, one that's easy to adapt. Add quality imagery, sample copy, and a one-page guide with the template link. Fewer questions, happier customers. Systems command higher prices, build loyalty, and free you from constant creation. When buyers get results from your Instagram bundle, they come back for decks. Printables are a red ocean. Niche template systems are a blue ocean of opportunity. Leverage your skills to scale and solve bigger problems for better customers. One clear action this week: pick a specific underserved niche, validate a pain, and build a 5-piece Canva pack to solve it. List it on your preferred marketplaces and your own site. Let real sales data guide your next iteration. Start now. Take the first step from creator to CEO. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit TheDesignLemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.